Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Izzat Najmuddin Rozaid. The topic that we want to present today is about the transportation problems, project management, and the linear program. First one is transportation problems. Transportation problems has three methods that we use. First one is northwest corner method. Second, minimum cell cost method. And lastly is Google method. In the question, for the transportation problems given by the following table, find an initial basic feasible solution by the northwest corner method and then find an optimal solution. Based on this question want the northwest corner method. Next, the question as below, they say the supply at source 3 is now reduced from 10 to 6. That means from 10 reduced to 6, there is a penalty of 5 for each unit. So in each unit in the table, reduce to mass to minus with 5. Well, you can see the beside table, the show overall calculations. The firstly, we must start to first with the top corner, top left corner. We get 5 because the demand is 5 and 8 have already 3 and the balance have 3 and the 9 is supplies and next then we get the answer. We put out we plus it's all and like 5 times 5 plus 3 times 8 times 10 and plus 6 times 5 plus 1 times 3 plus 1 times 7 plus 4 times 7 plus 5 times 5 and we get the answer 148. Next, I will pass to my friends Abu Arman.
Hello, my name is Arman. So this will do northwest corner method. So we know that the supply for we have 8, 7, and 10, and then we have the demand for each GH has 5, 9, 2, 4, 5 respectively. So the first one for D, we have 5 from A. So we can, so the supply for A is 3 left. So 3 will go to E, and then 6 from B will go to uh, E. And then for F, we know that supplier B has one more, so they send, and then C sends 1 to F. Now supplier C has 9 and G needs 4, so they send 4, and then the last 5 will be sent to H by C. Next slide. So this is the so we can find out that all that just now UD plus VA equals 5, D equals 10, UE plus VB equals 5, UE plus VC equals 3, UF plus VC equals 7, UF plus VD equals 7, UF plus VE equals 5. Next slide. So if we substitute UD to 0, we can find out all the other answers for the substitution. So we just substitute, and then we UD turns to 0 plus VA equals 5. So we know that VA equals 5, and then 0 plus VB. So we can so VB is 10. So we know what VB is. We have to find UE. So UE plus 10 equals 5. So UE is negative 5. And then for VC minus 5 from UE plus VC equals 3. So we know that VC is minus 2. UF plus negative 2 equals 7. So UF is 9. 9 plus VD equals 7. So VD is negative 2. And then 9 equals 5. So VE is negative 4. Next slide. So, so this is to find out the this is the Cij minus Ui minus Bi. We get Kij. So this is to find the this is to find the total. So CAF minus UD minus VC. We just substitute everything in. The answer is 5 minus 0 minus negative 2 equals 7. CAG minus UD minus VD, 7 minus 0 plus 2 equals 9. CAH minus UD minus VE, so 15 minus 0 minus negative 4 equals 19. CBD minus UE minus VA equals to substitute in 0 minus negative 5. So the total is 0. CBG minus UE minus VD. Substitute 10 minus negative 5 minus negative 2, we get 17. CBH minus UE minus VE equals 5 minus negative 5 minus negative 4, we get 14. So CCD minus UF minus VA, 10 minus 9 minus 5, we get negative 4. And then for CCE minus UF minus VB, 5 minus equals 14, negative 14. All right, I'll pass to my next friend.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohamad Amirul. We continue for question 2 from chapter project management. Next slide. Okay, firstly in question 2, need to draw table which block follow the table arrange first, and each block need to have a two-type calculation. It is from start calculation for first line or number, and second time in block calculation of finish to start. Okay, in question 2 also have a two box. Need to calculate go to one box. Like for example, from box A and box B to box E, need to choose a biggest number and calculation need to plus from the biggest number to in number. Also from a process second, need to start from finish until to 0 and choose a small number and minus which original number. Okay, for first process is start number from box A, go to E box, need to plus 7, get which is 10 and get 70. Then go to G box and S box. From G box, 70 plus 5 get 22. From a G, go to H box, 22 plus 8 get 13. Go through finish. And from a B, go to E box and go to O box. Plus 70 plus 8 get 25. 25 plus 2 for F box get 27. For I box, 27 plus 2 get 29. 29 from I box plus 3 for J box get 31. And from a C box, 15 plus 18, 8 get 15 plus 2 get 27, and go through process, same process with second box B to the finish. So I pass for the get S, need to calculate plus second number which first number. For example, 27 minus 15 get 12. 7 minus 2 get 5. So I pass to Mohamad Izzudin for more explanation.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohamad Izzat Othman. So for my part, I'll be explain for calculation for column O, row 2. So it's quite opposite from the column 1 because it start from the start, but the column 2 or row 2 it start from the finish. So as you can see from the box H, is going to be 30. You're going to minus their first that has given, which 8. You will minus, you will get 22. So you can get the G box for their row 2, which means you get 22. So 22 going to be minus with 5, you are going to get 17. And from 17, you must minus 10 from the E box, you will get 7. So 7, if you from box A, you're going to minus 7 because it's already given, so it gets 0 until it gets start. That's for the first column, until start. And the second column is start from J box, which is 31. We're going to minus with 3. Minus with 2, you are going to get 29 on I box. So from 39, you are going to 27. 29, you are going minus 2. You are going to get 27. And go to the F box, you are going to 27 minus with another 2. You are going to get 25. And it can goes for anyways from O box or C box. So for first we are going to for O box. O box is from 25 minus 8, you are going to get 17. And 17 minus 10 on E box, you are going to get 7. And that 7 are going to minus with 2. And on B box, you are going to get the S equal 5. And the last row is also the same at first, which is J box, which is 29 minus 2, you are going to get 27. And on F box, you are going to minus also another 2, they're going to be 25. But this time you're going to go down to the C box, and from the C box, you are going to 27. So in the first column, they are already got already given 15. So 27 minus 15, you are going to get 12. And 12, you are going straight to the start. That's all from me. I will pass to another presenter.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohamad Hazeeq bin Majais. I will explain about question 3, which is linear programming. So this question is about linear programming that the dietitians mix weight of food X and weight of food Y. We construct the following table. So the first step is our problem is to minimize Z equal to 16X plus 20Y. And then follow to the second step, which is subject to constraints X plus 2Y more than 10. So the next one is 2X plus 2Y more than 12 equal to X plus Y more than 6. So the next step is the 3X plus Y, we get more than 8, and X more than 0 and Y more than 0. That's like. So firstly, we have to draw the graph of the line with X plus 2Y equal 10. Putting column 0, 0 in the equality X plus 2Y more than 10, we have 0 plus 0 times 0 more than 10 equal more to 0 more than 10, which is false. So the half plane is away from the origin. Next slide. So the second step, we have to draw the graph of the line, which is X plus Y equal to 6. By putting column 0, 0 in the inequality X plus Y more than 6, we have 0 plus 0 more than 6 equal to 0 more than 6, which is also false. So the half plane is away from the origin. So the third step is to draw the graph of the line, which is 3x plus y equal to 8. Putting 0, 0 in the inequality 3x plus y more than 8. We have 3 times 0 plus 0 more than 8 equal to 0 more than 8, which is false. So this is the graph that we have draw based on step previous. So the half plane is away from the origin since x, y more than 0. So the feasible region lies in the first quadrant. On solving equations x plus y equal to 6 and x plus 2y equals 10, we get B column 2, 4. Similarly, solving the equations 3x plus y equal to 8 and x plus y equal to 6, we get C column 1, 5. So the corner points of the feasible region are 6, A column 10, 0, B column 2, 4, C column 1, 5, and D column 0, 8. The values of Z at this point are as follows, based on table above. As the feasible region is unbounded, therefore 112 may or may not be the minimum value of Z. For this, we draw a graph of the inequality 16x plus 20y less than 112 or 4x times 5y less than 28 and check whether the resulting half plane has point common with the feasible region or not. The feasible region has no common point with 4x plus 5y is less than 28. So therefore, the minimum value of Z is 112 at B24. Thus, the mixture should contain 2 kg of food X and 4 kg of food Y. The minimum cost of the mixture is Rm 112. So that's all from chapter 3 questions. Thank you.